I'm Kristina with APS EdTech, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool double exposure video in Adobe Express. Once I have logged into Adobe Express, I'm going to start a new project with the blue plus sign in the top left corner. I'm starting off with a square. I'm going to go to the media folder on the left side, and I'm going to upload a photo of myself from my device. Once I have that photo in there, I am going to move it, I'm going to size it, and I'm going to make sure that I center it as well. I'm going to go back over to the panel on the left, and I'm going to remove the background from my picture. Now that the background is gone, I'm going to make a couple of more adjustments to the size and make sure it is centered. Then I'm going to scroll down on that panel and go to the photo adjustments. I'm going to play around with the shadows, with the contrast. I'm going to take down the brightness. I'm going to take up the highlights, and I'm going to lower the saturation. I really want that deep, dramatic black and white picture. Now I'm going to go back to the media folder, and I'm going to find a video this time of something really bright and colorful like a sunset. I like this one. Once I bring that in, on the panel on the left, I'm going to fill the video to the size of my screen. I'm going to blend it with a screen, and now I have a double exposure video that you can see right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and let us know in the comments what video you want to see next.